KPMG Delivery Center, KDC, a shared service center in Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi, which utilizes innovative, intelligent automation and state-of-the-art data processing and analysis technology to support KPMG's DTL, audit and consulting service teams at key steps of client engagements.
Our mission are centralization, innovation, and efficiency.
KDC currently provides 3 key services: audit, tax, and deal. In audit, we offer audit confirmation, data processing, Power BI, FS casting, and e-audit closeout. In tax, we provide data processing for CIT, NTP, and Australian tax return. In deal, we offer back-end financial analysis and data analysis.
There's some key benefits of working with KDC. First of all, efficiency and consistency. Client data in various technical solutions is managed by the centralized hub, KDCV, to improve efficiency. Secondly, profitability. Diverting certain tasks to a small number of KDC staff. Thirdly, quality control. Deliverables are rigorously reviewed by KDC peers and leaders before sending to client service teams. Next is risk-based focus. Client service teams can focus on key judgments in significant risks areas. Fifthly, robust data security. A paperless environment with all data stored on high-secured internal servers. Data is strictly controlled by policies. And final benefit is staff quality. KDC offers staff trainings to assist client service teams and improve engagement delivery.
Is it great? Please kindly contact us via email address deliverycenter@kpmg.com.bn for more information.